hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to add WhatsApp button to Canva website. There's actually two ways that I'll be showing you how to do this. The first example is you could go onto a website by the name of Elfsight, then hover over the top left hand corner where you see widgets, and then from there you could select WhatsApp chat. After selecting WhatsApp chat, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can choose any one of these templates that you want to use from the left hand menu option, as you can see right here. And you can see an example of how it looks on the right hand corner right here, so you can select any one. I'm going to be selecting the general one for this example. Then we'll tap on continue with this website. After you're finished, you're going to tap right where you see WhatsApp number or link, and you could put in your WhatsApp phone number right there. After you have done that, you can tap on content, and from here you could edit the WhatsApp bubble. You could also edit the picture that is here, or if you would like to delete the chat window overall, you can tap on the trash can right there. You can change the name, you can also change the welcome message, and so on. And you can also edit the appearance by tapping on appearance. You could change the bubble color and so much more. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on add to website for free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here all you'll need to do is tap on publish. But before doing that, I'm going to go over to settings right here. After tapping on settings, you can tap on position, and I'm going to be selecting embedded bubble, and then I'm going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After selecting published, all you'll need to do is tap on close in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to select install. Once you have selected install, you're going to tap on share link, and you're going to copy the link. After copying the link, you can go back onto your Canva website, then select text from the left hand menu option, and select any one of the text boxes. Then all you'll need to do is tap on the link icon that appears after selecting the entire text box, as you can see right there, and you'll paste in the link that we have copied. After pasting in the link, you're going to tap where you see display mode, and you're going to tap on embed. After selecting embed, from there you can see the WhatsApp button, as you can see right here. And if you would like to adjust the size, you can pull on it right there, or you can decrease the size, as you can see right here. So we can pull it to any section on our website. And all you need to do is tap on preview, and you can see how it looks right there. So persons will now be able to tap on it. Once they have tapped on it, you can see the chat window appears. So if I were to tap on close, I would simply adjust it right there. I'm going to adjust the size right here, as you see it there. So now if we were to tap on preview, and then someone comes onto our website, taps on the link right there. After they tap on the link, you can see the pop-up window appear, and then from there they can start their messaging. Another option that you can also use is, if we were to delete this, you could simply open a new tab and type in WhatsApp number link. After doing that, you could tap right where you see the first option, which says create WhatsApp link. Then after you have done that, you could tap on create a free WA link. Then you would simply input your phone number right there. After you have done that, you can edit the custom message. And after doing that, you'll simply tap on generate my WA link. After you have tapped on generate my WA link, you can see the link right here. So you can scroll down and tap on copy link. Once you have entered your number and so on, you can tap right where you see generate my WA link. After tapping on that, you can copy the link. So we'll scroll down and tap on copy link. After you have copied the link, you'll go back into Canva, and from there all you'll need to do now, you could create a button, but the number that I entered don't have a WhatsApp. If it did, all I would need to do is tap on text, then tap on add a heading, and from there I could tap on the link option and paste in the link right here. And just like what I showed you earlier, you would change the display mode to embed, And after you have done that, you would see the WhatsApp chat right there. But the number that I entered don't have a WhatsApp. So what I would need to do is tap on elements right here, and I could type in button. Then from there, I could select any one of the graphic buttons right here. So let's say, for example, this one. And from there, all you need to do is make the button clickable. So you could tap on the three dots right there, tap on link, and from there you could paste in your link. And then from there, you could make it clickable, as you can see right there. And then you could change the color of the button, and you could also type in WhatsApp or so on in the button, and you could edit the button appearance. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe